Hello, amazing learners and great minds. Welcome back to my channel. This is Coursera and Services, and I'm Mrs. Sarah Chukudubin. You are welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, we make learning fun, easy, and interesting. So, get your pencil, your paper, and let's dive back into the lesson. Today we have addition of numbers. What did I say? Addition of numbers. What is addition? Addition means putting numbers together. Addition means what? Putting numbers together. Correct. So when we put things together, the result becomes bigger and larger. If you have 2 oranges and someone gives you 3 more oranges and you put them inside one basket, you're going to have 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. That will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges. So when you put things together, it becomes bigger. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That will become 5. And the result we get after addition is called sum. It's called what? Sum. This is our sum. 5 is our sum. The 2 numbers we added together is called addends. Addends. We add 2 and 3 to get 5, which is bigger. Our answer is always bigger. Whenever you are adding, the answer is always bigger. That's the sum. Alright, today we're going to be focusing on addition of 2-digit numbers. Addition of what? 2-digit numbers. Numbers like 10, 12, 52, 33, 86. These numbers are called 2-digit numbers because they're made up of 2 digits. 8 and 6 make up 86. The digit 3 and 3 make up 33. 1 and 0 digits make up 10. So these are 2 digits. When we're adding numbers involving 2 digits, we don't necessarily need to be counting them like 52 plus 26. 52 plus 26. We don't need to count 52 and count 26 out separately. That would be very, very bulky. So for us to be able to do it with ease, we have to put them in their place values, tens and units. So 52 is 5 tens, 2 units. 26 means 2 tens, 6 units. And don't forget plus. That is the sign of addition. Plus is the sign of addition. That tells you and tells others that what you are solving involves addition. So I'm going to remove my line. And when I want to add, I will not start with the tens. If you start with the 10, you're going to have trouble later. So for you to be on the safer side, start with the units. We add starting from where? Correct, the unit. 2 plus 6. You have 2, you can count 2 and count 6. Or you have 6 in your mind. 6 in my mind, 2 fingers, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now we have 5 plus 2. You can count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. And add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you can decide to be smarter and you keep 5 in your head and you bring out 2 fingers. 5, 6, 7. So what's our final answer? Our final answer becomes 78. So 52 plus 26 is equal to 8. Is equal to what? 78. The next one is 36 plus 43. You can pause this video, solve it, and then play back to see if you get the answer. Then pause it. Okay, having done that, let's check whether your answer is correct. 36 plus 43. Tens and units. 36 plus 43 plus 43. When did I say we'll start adding? Correct. From the units. 6 plus 3. 6 in my hands. 3 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 3 plus 4. I keep 3 in my head. I bring up 4 fingers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can still count it separately. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our final answer becomes 79. So, did you get 79? Good. If you didn't get it, don't worry. As you keep practicing, you will be used to it. You will master it. Okay, let's do the next one. 30 plus 64. Remember your tens and units. 30 plus 54, you have tens, units. 30 means what? 3 tens, 0 units. 64 means 6 tens, 4 units. And we have our plus sign. Now we have 0 in the unit side and we have 4. And we're adding from the unit, 0 plus 4. So anytime you come across 0 in addition, it means empty. It means what? Empty. So it means it looks like someone having 2 boxes. 1 box. Here nothing is inside this. And you have 4 apples. So this is an empty box. This box has 4 apples. You have to add the content together. You have to add the content together. All together, you still have 4 apples. So 0 means what? Empty. So 0 plus 4 is 4. And 3 plus 6, you have 6, 7, 8, 9. Our final answer becomes 94. Don't forget that 0 means what? Empty. So I want us to use this song to remember adding numbers involving 0. Whenever you're adding numbers, adding 0 to a number, 0 will never change that number. If you are adding a number to a 0, that number will never increase. So sing along with me now.
0 plus a number is that same number. 0 plus a number, the number will not change. 0 plus a number is that same number. 0 plus a number, the number will not change. 0 plus a number is that same number. 0 plus a number, the number will not change.
0 plus a number, the number will never change. Good. So practice this one and tell me the answer. Practice this and let me know the answer in the comment section. Yes. If you have not subscribed to my channel, if you have watched this video and have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? I just don't know. What are you waiting for? It's not going to cost you anything more than just pressing that subscribe button. Please press the subscribe button. Press it. Press it. Yes. And don't forget to turn on your notification button. Turn it on so that you'll be notified anytime I upload videos on this channel, because I'm going to be uploading very fun and interesting lessons. Yes. So you don't want to miss out. Turn it on. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. Yes, that will make others to discover this video, and that's a great motivation for me. If you have done that, thank you. Alright, I'm going to be looking at another part of this addition. 38 plus 26. Tens and units. 38 means 3 tens, 8 units, plus 26, 2 tens, 6 units. So what do I do now? I'll start adding from the units. 8 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14. And you see 14 is 2 digits. 1 times 4 units. 1 times 4 units. You're not going to write 14 here. That would be very, very wrong. Don't ever write 14 this way. It's going to be very, very wrong. It will not make sense. So what do? You write, You write only 4 units down. And you carry the 1 times to the tens. 1 times to the tens, 4 units belongs to the units. And you add 1 plus 3 plus 2. And don't forget to start with the 1. The 1 you carry starts with 1. You write 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 1, 2. 1 plus 3 plus 2. Then you count together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer becomes 64. So when you're writing, we are adding numbers and your unit has 2 digits. Don't put the 2 digits under units. Put the unit part and carry the tens over. That's what we call carry over. 45 plus 29 plus 27. 45 plus 27. Please solve this and put the answer in the comment section. Solve it and let me know the answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like this video. Please, if you have watched this video and have not pressed that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Please don't go anywhere. Press the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you anything. Subscribe to this channel because on this channel I'm going to be releasing interesting lessons, fun lessons, things that will inspire you, and it's not going to be boring at all. Please press that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join the family. Yes. And please don't forget to like this video. Like it. That's a great motivation for me. Thank you for staying to this end of this lesson. If you have learned something, comment. I've learned something. Yes, it's important to me. Comment. I want to know those that have learned something. Comment. I'll be on the comment section to read your comments. And next class, we're going to take it further. Please, to the next class, don't go away. Stay tuned and stay connected. Bye.